Hi, my name is Shelly Brown, and I answered the questions for this activity about the IEP. And I have never seen an IEP written or seen paperwork. This is the first time. So I'm really not sure what's supposed to be on there or what it even looks like. So the first question was, what is the primary disability of the student? I said the child has a behavior that impedes his or her learning or the learning of others, and the students have communication needs, which was required for the deaf and the hearing impaired. Then it asked are the goals written as SMART goals? I believe that the goals were written as SMART goals. Each content has listed the specific content area, and they had measurable goals. It looked like they were attainable, and the goals are result-oriented and time, and in a 9-week time period. So, and it said if I had never met this child, what can you glean from the IEP data? The learner, I thought maybe the learner was autistic, since there was an autism scholarship rewarded. And it says that Caleb would benefit from small structured groups to ensure he is learning the content curriculum that is expected. I also said what information or data might you need to gather on the student? I said I didn't see where there was any technology accommodations, so I don't know if they're supposed to be. And it says, will you need any technology to meet the IEP goals? I did not see any IEP goals that require technology. And it says, were correct procedures followed in creating this IEP? It looked like it was followed, but there was several parts that were missing, and I don't know if they were left out, like to not let us know what the kid's name was, but like at the end where there was state testing and stuff, nothing said there was nothing written down there for accommodations. So I don't know if that means there wasn't any accommodations that needed to be made, or if they just didn't fill it out. And then it says, what questions remain before you feel, what questions remain before you might feel comfortable to use the IEP? And I just said that some of the questions that remained was, would there be any accommodations for state testing? And why is the child's progress being reported every 9 weeks on the grade card? I thought that was something that they went over at different times, not just on a grade card. And I didn't know if there was any other ways to report the student's progress. So that is what I was thinking. But that was the first time I've seen an IEP, so thank you.